Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Mt5 up to date, Trade Manager EA downloaded, and auto trading enabled. Connect to your broker and log into the correct demo or live account so orders will route. Once done, attach the EA to the chart of the instrument you want to trade, choose a magic number to avoid conflicts, and set your default lot or risk percentage. Make sure DLL imports are allowed. This prevents order management failures. This gets you from zero to ready, so you can configure rules next. Now configure the core rules that govern how the trade manager executes and manages trades. You pick risk per trade or fixed lots, then define stop loss and take profit levels so the EA enforces discipline. After that, enable trailing stops and partial close settings to lock profits gradually. Set the increments and percentages. Next, choose your entry method: manual market buttons, pending orders, or external signals. Once these are in place, test entries on the chart and observe how stops and partials react in real time. Execute a controlled test trade so you can monitor behavior and confirm the trade manager applies stops, break-even, and partial closes correctly. Watch the order ticket and the EA's log for confirmations or error messages. If results diverge, use the strategy tester or demo account to iterate while adjusting slippage, lot scaling, or timeout values to match market conditions. If things go wrong, first check magic number conflicts, account trade permissions, and that no other EA is managing the same tickets.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.